During the Pandavs' exile period, Arjuna, the third Pandav and a renowned warrior, visited the heavens to obtain celestial weapons from the gods. In Indra's court, Arjuna encountered Urvashi, a celestial nymph renowned for her beauty and charm. Urvashi was instantly attracted to Arjuna's exceptional qualities and approached him with romantic intentions. However, Arjuna respectfully declined Urvashi's advances. He explained that he regarded her as a mother figure due to her relationship with his ancestors, the Kuru dynasty. Though Urvashi was initially taken aback by Arjuna's rejection, she soon felt deeply offended and humiliated by his response. In her anger and hurt pride, she cursed Arjuna to become a eunuch for a year, condemning him to live without the physical attributes of a man. Arjuna accepted Urvashi's curse with equanimity and humility, recognizing it as a consequence of his unintentional offense. As a result of the curse, Arjuna assumed the disguise of Brihannala, a eunuch dance teacher. During the Pandavs' final year of exile, Brihannala served in the court of King Virata of Matsya Kingdom. During this time, Arjuna, disguised as Brihannala, played a crucial role in protecting King Virata's kingdom from enemies. His proficiency in dance and music, as well as his strategic counsel, earned him respect and favor in Virata's court. Meanwhile, the other Pandavas also took up various disguises to remain incognito during their exile. At the end of the exile period, when the Pandavas revealed their true identities and prepared for the Kurukshetra war, Arjuna's year-long curse came to an end. He regained his warrior status and prepared to fulfill his destiny as a key warrior in the great battle against their Kaurva cousins. This unique tale from the Mahabharata epic illustrates themes of respect, humility, and the acceptance of divine consequences. It also showcases Arjuna's resilience and adaptability in facing adversity, ultimately leading to his pivotal role in the events that shaped the destiny of the Kuru dynasty.